Hey guys, this is Kenny, just recording a video to show you how to implement the rewards from the dashboard into your game. It is super simple. It's actually just two steps, and I'm going to walk you through them both right now. So remember, the rewards are how you incentivize your players to use the dashboard. It basically is what transforms your game into a vehicle for success on Twitch. So make those rewards exciting. We recommend having a variety of rewards. So something that is redeemable every minute or so, all the way up to something that is an epic reward that you have to spend an hour or more. Some of our developers are asking for a reward that you can redeem just once, and that's coming soon. So if you are one of those developers, reach out to us, and we'd like to work with you. But I'm just going to walk you through adding the rewards right now. So here's how it works. Go to your Echelon developer dashboard, and under your games management tab, I've chosen Paranormal Pastures, and then under rewards, I just clicked new reward. So I'm going to call this, let's just call this Health Recover. It's just a test for now. That's the key. I'm going to copy that under label. That's what actually is going to be displayed to the players on your dashboard. So I'm going to type in recover 10 HP, and then value, I'm going to put 10. And I'm going to explain the value in a second. I'll come back to that. But since this reward has to tick by for a minute, I'm going to just submit it as is right now and then switch over back to Unity. Okay, so here it is. So that's actually step one is done. The only other step is after you have added your reward listener to just fire the code that comes back from the callback of a reward being claimed. That's it. So in our init and connect example, I am opening the reward listener in the callback of auth completed. So once you're logged in, I'm starting the rewards listener, and that is actually looking for a list of player IDs. So I'm sending the local player ID in the callback. Almost done. So once we subscribe to the player reward claimed, then we can check here for what reward it is. So if reward ID is health recover, then let's just go debug.log. You just got plus int.parse value. But I wanted to talk here about what that is. So you don't actually have to send a float or a string or a integer. We can actually send anything you put into there. So that could be a JSON data, that could be a blob, it could be anything you want. And why that's popular, or why that's powerful rather, is because that means you can change your rewards after your game launches. In fact, you can update your game and your rewards um, after launch with just a minute of your time. Okay, so let's say you have a shooter and your reward was, let's say it was an ammo pack, right? Well, you might launch your game and then decide, well, my players aren't really actually using this reward. I'm going to make this reward a lot better. I'm going to increase the amount of ammo that they get. Well, that's why you would use that value, is because your game is parsing that return from that call, and just by going to the dashboard and changing the value right here, you know, you would just you would suddenly get more in game, and there would be no game update required. So it's really super powerful. Again, these rewards, they should be really exciting. In a racing game, it might be like a nitro boost. In an RPG, it might be like an epic, character cosmetic. So reach out to us if you want some help coming up with ideas for what these rewards should be. We love talking about it. We've been thinking about this for a long time, and we want to be a resource for you. So please reach out. So anyway, that's done. So that was 1 minute. So I'm going to click on, make sure my console is open. Here we are. So I'm going to be looking for the callback here, hit claim, jump back to my game, and any second, there it is. player claim reward, and you just got 10. Okay. Now, if we go back again, we can change the value here, even in a live game. But that's it. I mean, sometimes I wish there was a little bit more to talk about. But in about 5 minutes, you can get a reward triggering from your dashboard. And in some cases, actually in a lot of cases, it takes longer to figure out what these rewards should be than it does to actually code them. So again, we're really appreciative of you guys integrating Echelon into your game. We're a resource for you. Use us, and can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Take care.